Hey guys, how to browse Match profiles privately. So open the Match app, right? Or if you have the Match app, just go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and then type right here Match. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version if you have it. All right, and then open up the settings or click the profile icon and select settings. Look for the privacy or browsing options. Toggle the settings for private mode or incognito mode to enable it. Ensure you save any adjustments made. Once activated, your profile won't be visible to others while browsing. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.